Hey puddings! Today the video is a makeup tutorial inspired in Elle Fanning. Something like 2 weeks ago she published at her Instagram an outfit that she called Retro Barbie Dreams to life size. So I decided to make this video because Maleficent 2 is coming, the new trailer is open and I love so much this makeup. So come on board to play with me, squad! That's a very lightly skin, so firstly I'm gonna to apply this moisturizing with some protect, and I have this highlighter to work together. Don't forget the primer for your makeup during for a long time. Let's put on the foundation for a natural look, and if you want a concealer on any imperfections and a powder on the area to fix it. After that, an eyebrow pen and an uncolored mascara like eyebrow primer. And now with my fingers again, I'll apply this tone of eyeshadow just like a shimmer in all the highlight. And now with this light blue eyeliner, let's to draw a thin line as close to the lashes as possible and doing a cat eye at the final corner. With a black liquid eyeliner, let's to draw a line under the one thin than the other. And a white eye pencil inside your eyes. Let's return with the eyeshadow just to put on at the inside corner. She's wearing the false lashes, but I really hate it. So full of mascara for a flawless doll eyes. I prefer to apply a stick blush because it's perfect for a very luminous aspect, right, puddings? Apply the highlighter on top of your face and the nose, close to the lips and the nose too. At the picture I saw she has some freckles on her face. I'm planning to try it with my eyebrow pen. It's too easy, you just need to draw some little points. Let me tell you a secret, the irregular points does the natural impressions you want. finally, a pink candy lipstick on your lips. I have the same color she's using. After that, a pink lip gloss with shimmer too. I'm ready with my ponytails, my bracelets, and an outfit inspired that she used. That's all, puddings! Tell me here below in the comments what do you think about my makeup and what are some of other videos about Maleficent too do you want to watch here, okay guys? And don't forget to sub here at the channel and like the videos to be part of my puddings squad. Kiss ya, puddings!